Hey guys, I'm showing you this QBS Store Power Strip Tower Surge Protector. So this is a desktop charging station with 12 AC outlets, 4 USB ports, 6 feet cord with a flat plug. So now I will show you this one by one. So unboxing have this manual and this tower. So as I said, this have multiple AC outlets, surge protection with 120 to 240 watt, thick 6 feet cable and the plug. So I'm just putting it in the socket just to show you. So this have like these USB ports on the top and the grounded and this light so that you can see. This is the on off switch, or to reset it you can use that one as well. And I'm just showing you this USB port charging, and this start charging my mobile pretty fast. So it's a nice USB outlet that you have here. So 4 USB total outlets here and 12 of these AC outlets. So the good thing is that you can use it as a tower and you can put all the switches all around. This will not stuck with one another. And this is the port, the manual. So I'm just putting in the AC outlet, and as you can see that the AC outlets start charging pretty well. So total 12 outlets, protection, surge protection, tower, for very helpful for all the different type of switches in one. So small factor design and pretty nice working with this one. So has a thick cable. So nice outlet tower.